Alright now, try to stay calm. You're in no danger now. You're safe here with me, remember that?
I'll try.
I love you very much.
I know you do, darling. Well, I calmed myself down so successfully that I believe I could have gone back to sleep again, but I decided instead to get dressed and go out. I thought the fresh air might help to clear the cobwebs out of my brain. My nerves had stopped screaming, but I couldn't shake off the feeling that there were still cobwebs deep in my mind, crisscrossing, forming a hideous pattern. Down one of the gleaming strands, a black widow spider was crawling slowly toward me.
Black widow spider devour their own mates.
Loring said,
But the female is about 50 times as large as the male. Only the males have to worry.
It was the wrong way to ease her tension, and he instantly regretted that he hadn't kept silent. She went on quickly, her voice tightening. It took me only a moment to get some clothes on, and I didn't waste my time with makeup, but I was trembling, so I kept dropping things, and I thought I'd never get the door open. I didn't realize just how badly shaken I was, though, until I got out into the hall. There was a dim light bulb at the end of the hall, and there were shadows everywhere. Large, dark shadows that seemed to change shape as I stared at them. Then I saw it. Her voice shook, and she looked quickly around the nearly deserted restaurant, as though expecting someone to be eavesdropping. Just remembering it is terrifying. The creature looked like almost human. It had a face with nose, eyes, ears, and the body of a man. Darling, I can't describe it. Not really, not perfectly, because I only saw it for an instant and it was standing in shadows. But I saw it enough to know that it wasn't human. Couldn't have been human. It wasn't a man or a woman. It was a thing.